expunge part of the affidavit of the Honorable Deputy Governor. Honorable Speaker, you'll notice that from precedent, this House has allowed governors and deputy governors that did not defend themselves in the county assemblies come here and defend themselves. In any case, the House needs to know the genesis of the problems in Kisii. What exactly is on trial? Because it's not common that the honorable members of the county assembly can wake one morning and determine that a deputy governor that was elected should just go home. So what we want to bring out, Honorable Speaker, is the genesis of the problem. And very briefly, Honorable Speaker, allow me just address preliminary point 2, because my senior Mr. Kigen has addressed 1 within a minute. Honorable Speaker, you'll notice, and the Honorable Deputy Governor agrees that Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Government Act, and Standing Order 60 to 64 of the Kisii County Assembly Standing Orders allow for the impeachment of a governor and a deputy governor. But there are clear timelines that are provided. You will notice, Honorable Speaker, that in the County Assembly of Kisii, and I'll refer the Honorable House to page 5 of the document titled DG. You will notice, Honorable Speaker, that at page 5 of that document of the bundle titled DG, there is a document titled Notice of Motion that is dated the 13th of February 2024. That document was the motion that was brought to the House by the Honorable Wycliffe Siocha. Somehow it mutated, and by the time it was being brought again to the House on 21st of February, we now had another document which starts at page 6 of that document titled DG. So that you'll get, Honorable Speaker, that the Deputy Governor was defending himself on 2 documents dated 2 different dates, and even then, based on the document in page 5 of the document that was received in the County Assembly on 13th of February, Honorable Speaker, the Standing Order 60 to 64 provides that that motion ought to have been heard within 10 days. Whereas we do not want to bring up substantial or procedural issues in this House, but you will consider and look at the timelines within which the County Assembly sat, and you will notice that they sat or determined that motion beyond the 10 days that is provided for in the Senate. And as we will explain, and you will notice that this is beyond the character of the DG. This is all politics. It's all about the hard questions, the tough questions that the DG is asking, that we promise to deliver to the people of Kisii County. We are not delivering. And upon asking those very simple questions, he is now being brought to you, and you are being told, send him home. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Allow us very, very kindly, because I believe it didn't take a lot of time, just bring Honorable Osoro, who's our colleague, to take 2 minutes only, just to finish up and give a final brief on our opening remarks, kindly.
Senator